Hello and welcome to Sohini's kitchen. Diwali is around the corner, and today's recipe is a popular snack during Diwali and at all times. Bhakarwadi. Bhakarwadis are fried and crisp pinwheels that have a sweet, spicy and tangy taste. So let's take a look at the ingredients. To make Bhakarwadis, we need 2 cups maida or all-purpose flour, salt half teaspoon, besan or gram flour 2 tablespoons, carom seeds half teaspoon and hing 1/4 teaspoon, hot canola oil or any white oil 3 tablespoons, 1/4 cup warm water. We need fennel seeds 2 teaspoons, coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, desiccated coconut half cup, white sesame seeds 1 tablespoon and poppy seeds 1 tablespoon. Hot red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, amchur powder 1.5 teaspoons, asafoetida or hing 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt and sugar as per taste. Now we will take a strainer and in it we will put the maida, the besan and all the other dry ingredients except the carom seeds. Now passing all the dry ingredients through the strainer ensures that there will be no lumps in the mixture. Hence we will make a smooth dough. So we have added the besan, the maida, the asafoetida and the salt to the strainer, and now we will shake it slowly and let the dry ingredients pass through them. Now take half teaspoon of carom seeds in between your palms and crush them little bit and add them to the mixture. With a hand whisk, mix all the ingredients slowly, and now we will pour in 3 tablespoons of hot oil. Can you hear the sizzle? Yes, it needs to be this hot. So once it cools down, again mix all the ingredients first with a hand whisk, and now put your fingers in to do a little test. Try to press the mixture into a shape, and yes, if it comes together, then this mixture is ready to be turned into the Bhakarwadi dough. So now we are going to add water to it and knead it into a dough which is neither too soft and nor too hard. So I have added only 1/4 cup of warm water. Now add the water little by little and knead all the ingredients into a dough. So yes, now the dough is ready and I needed just 1/4 cup of warm water. Now add half a teaspoon of oil on the surface of the dough. Coat the surface of the dough with it and then cover the dough and put it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. It's time to dry roast the whole spices. So first we will add a tablespoon of coriander seeds. The heat should be on medium while you dry roast the spices. Then we will add a tablespoon of poppy seeds, a tablespoon of white sesame seeds, keep stirring in between so that the spices don't get burnt. Now add 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and the most important ingredient, half a cup of desiccated coconut. Keep stirring the mixture on medium to low flame until the color of the coconut turns into a beautiful goldenish brown color. So you can see how beautifully the color is changing. Now the mixture is ready. Transfer it into a dish or a tray and let it cool down. Once they have cooled down, add them back to a bowl and now add some powdered spices to it. Hing 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. I have used the extra hot variety to add more spicy flavor. 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric powder and garam masala powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of amchur powder. Now mix all the ingredients together and transfer them to a mixer bowl. Now we are going to grind them into a fine powder. Now add salt and sugar as per your taste. I have added around 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now grind them into a fine powder. So the powder is ready. The powder should look like this. The dough is also ready now to be made into Bhakarwadis. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Flatten one part of the dough with a rolling pin. You can give it any shape you like. I have given it the round shape. The flattened dough should neither be too thick nor too thin. It should be easy to handle, and you can see the thickness of it. So it is thin, but it is not very thin and neither too thick. Now apply some sweet tamarind chutney on the center of the flattened dough, and then add 2 tablespoons of the spice mixture on it. Work it out evenly on the surface of the flattened dough, and then apply water on the sides of the flattened dough and roll the dough into a log. Keep pressing all the while so that the sides get sealed, and this is why we are applying water on the sides. Cut out the edges of the log because these edges don't contain any spice. And now cut the log into equal pieces. So these are the Bhakarwadis. We have to deep fry them in order to get the Bhakarwadis that everyone loves. Now take one piece and press it on the top. Flatten it a little bit so you can see the pinwheel shape. These Bhakarwadis are very tasty and they are extremely addictive. The taste is awesome. When the oil is hot, add the Bhakarwadis to the oil, but soon lower the temperature into medium and let the Bhakarwadis cook slowly until they have turned goldenish brown in color. This will ensure that all the layers of the Bhakarwadi is beautifully cooked. So now the Bhakarwadis have reached the desired color. Now when the Bhakarwadis are completely cooked, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel in order to absorb the excess oil from them. You will know that they are completely cooked when the surface of the oil will have less bubbles and the Bhakarwadis will float to the top. So now the Bhakarwadis are cooked and ready to be served. The Bhakarwadis should look like this. They are beautiful and they are very tasty. Can you hear the crunch? Amazing. So enjoy the Bhakarwadis this Diwali, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and use the comment section for any question that you might have. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.